The ruling party ZANU-PF is now serious. Panguwa it is trying to quash every opposition. Kana anyone anongwe are opposed to them, or anyone who comes to threaten or to expose them. Recently, over the weekend, we have seen the ruling party ZANU-PF iti to rule forever. Panguwa vachiti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe President Mnangagwa vacharamba varipo kuti ndo mutungamiri wavo kwavanoda don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. But right now there are some lieutenants, there are some groups which are opposed to the ruling party ZANU-PF. We have seen the Canada faction, which is opposed to the 2030 and its vision. Panguwa we know Canada is a faction or a group that exposes the ruling party ZANU-PF. It exposes its leaders, it exposes everyone who supports the vision 2030. Panguwa you have received my threats. If you are seeing by his account, tuona pa page pake anobudanyira achiti tanga posa this envelope which was sent to him ancheti in my bullets yakanzi chikora zvikananda, this is for you, 20 July 2026. Obanyira achiti death threat received picture, envelopes with the bullets plus threat message sent via picture dated 20 July 2026 from Bricky Bigs 260. There is account leading ID Simon Mtapa Kingdom campaign. They want me silent. It won't work. Bullets don't scare men who fought for the war. Doma developments are Buddha Panguwa ire achi receive these threats. Doma developments are Buddha Panguwa ine anotoshikisa Panguwa ine ati awe aise social media. We are also seeing Panguwa ine David quoted. He was also shocked over the weekend. Ajona the person who stole quoted phone Anozi Lakbongapa was present Pama celebrations a Cape 3. But Panguwa the police is not taking action. Accuse the ZRP, why does he just leave him? Achitazvanoda pina comment section bedu board samafuro enyu muri kudipa muzori page. So subscribe or like up on the bell icon.